everybody. Lately, I've been getting a lot of questions about refreshing, so I thought I can share with you guys the 2 ways I do refresh. If you know me, you know I don't bother with a full refresh because I might as well just shower and style my hair. I don't want to wet it completely, so I'll show you guys how I dry refresh. So right now is my day 4 hair. I haven't refreshed it at all this whole week, so I will show you guys how I refresh. You can see there's frizz, there's some curls that are crazy right now. So one way I refresh is getting a refresh and detangling spray from Rizos curls or any other brand that has a refresh spray. And then I just spray the sections that are messed up. I will show you guys in a bit. So another way, if you guys don't have a refresh spray, you can make your own, and all you need is water and mix it with some leave-in conditioner or a cream or a gel, depending on the type of hold you like. What I'm gonna do is put a little bit of water and then add whatever cream or gel I want into it and shake it up. And ta-da, this is your own refresh spray. To show you guys, I will just divide my hair into 2. One side I will be using one of my Lifesaver products, the refresh spray from Rizos curls in one side, and then on the other side I will use the mixture that we did together, and let's see what works better. When I refresh, I just pick the sections that are messed up. I always have a lot of frizz up here. And just flatten it out, scrunch. Like for example, if I have one section that is messed up, I'll just spray that section down and flatten it out. If you want, you can curl, do a little twist, and then scrunch. Whatever section you want a little focus on, just grab it, spray it down, and then twist it with your hand if you want to, or just scrunch. Okay, let's try the other section. Once you're done refreshing, you can diffuse it real quick, just in case it's extra wet. So this is the 2 type of ways I refresh. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if you refresh any other way, please share it with me. I would love to know. Thanks for watching, guys.